Negi.
Negi, very easy. Very easy. Short.
Short. Your name is short. Jani.
My name not bad. Jani.
Jani, yes.
Not bad.
I'm stay Gup Shop.
Gupshup.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah,
This
it's beautiful.
chair.
Nice
This-
place.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Yeah.
Give me a try. I know we can make it. Take my love. I don't wanna give you up. Yeah, I'm in pain. I can't deny it. Give me a try. Just give me one more try. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive. You and I can't fight this feeling. My love, my love, my love. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive.
Ciao Andrea.
Zinzimbar.
So here we are in Zing Bar, and which means we're over 4,000 meters. And what is the hardest bit now is going up to Baralachala, which will take us to 4,800 meters. So just wish us good luck. Thousand 800 meters in a Brompton. Yoo! What's your name? This is the view this morning from my tent, and we're about 10 kilometers from the top of Nakila Pass. Now to what happened yesterday. As we were climbing Nakila, which is about 4,100 meters, we must have been maybe 200 meters from the top, and it was 5 o'clock, so it was almost, it was getting a bit dark. It gets dark here around 6:30. Andrea wasn't feeling very well. So the only option that we had was to descend. Of course, we hope that some traffic would start coming, and that Andrea will be able to find someone that can take him to Pang, which is the closest place to where I am now. And it's a place that has got an Indian Army medical center. So after the first half hour where there were no cars at all, eventually, some cars start coming up, and we just stopped them. And they were all really, really kind. We did in the end find a place for Andrea, and there was another car who was happy to take his bike, and so off he went. And so I just camped here, just below Nakila, and hopefully today, we'll have to climb Nakila. I will have to climb Lachalunga, and then I will get to Pang myself, and we'll find Andrea, and I hope he's feeling well, and we'll find out, what is his next plan. I can see Nakila top. Just a little push, I'm almost there. Woo! There it is. Whew. For the first time with a bike, and sure for the first time with Brompton, I'm cycling about 5,000 meters. Ladakh Pass is just, I don't know, half a kilometer away, and then it's down to Pang. And this is the view. Excuse the term, that was 500 meters my horse. But now I can see the stone, nice yellow stone, Ladakh. Happy to be rejoined by Andrea, who today was feeling much better and was able to continue the journey. And we are now on the arid stretch of the Mori Plain. The altitude is about 4,900 meters, and we're getting to Leh. I think we're about 140, 150 kilometers away. So, as always in these trips, very excited to get to the end, but also maybe a little sad to be getting to the end of such a wonderful trip and sceneries that I'm sure both of us will remember for the rest of our life. About 1 kilometer to go to the top of Tanglangla. It's the second highest waterfall pass in the world, and it's 5,300 meters high, and I'm almost there.